hold on. The holes here will poke my leg, then I lost my leg. The holiday ruined. Yeah. Careful, love. The whole coast is wild. It looks like no. Careful, there is a hole. The big wave will come to you, Laffy. See, the big wave will swap you away. I ran. Did you see me? I was running. That was a big one. I don't want to be sucked into the holes. You are almost there. Yeah. Capturing the crazy waves. This is so wild. This is nice to watch and read. Today there is nobody even snorkeling here.
The lady says he was snorkeling. I don't believe it.
They are such a liar.
Yeah, how would I think he got in and out? Yeah, they lie so much and Sundays they go to church.
Exactly. We want to try to get into this rock pool here.
Okay.
We are just here by the sea. We're going to try if we can get in. Has it? He try on the, yeah, to check in if there is a sponge or it's deep or it's shallow. How is it? Give us the result. Very deep?
Yeah, but it's very rocks everywhere, so don't jump in.
Oh, then I just go slowly.
Yeah, very slowly.
Okay. You go fast or I go fast? Huh?
A chance here.
I don't know. I thought you were looking. I find a way here.
No urchin whatsoever. Very beautiful.
You stand.
Oh,
Okay, hold it for me so that I come.
how do you hold this?
So that I come in.
There's no urchins at all. You can just go on a step. If you want. Well, you too. I'll look. 1, 2, 3. How she go? Don't go there. Go here, safer. There's a big arch in here. Big one. But a very beautiful coral. Oh, is it on, is it? Okay, direct, try. Okay, let's see. nice. Imagine you have a pool like that at home.
Ew.
We're in a rock pool, maybe 5 times bigger than a jacuzzi.
Yeah, this is deep.
Yeah, very deep, eh? Very cool. I saw a fish.
Wow, a big one.
No, a little zebra fish.
Okay. Hashing the rock pool.
In and out of that hole there.
Yeah, you get sucked back only.
Wow. Oh yeah, that's a pool too. Cool, man. Look at that. See, that one is not running low, not. Yeah, that one stays full, eh? Okay, we investigate. Oh yeah, slowly. Look at that. Wow. Fills up. Whoa, big wave coming. See, this pool stays full. Haha. Okay, we must go in there later, not now. We must see. Very mysterious place here. Yeah, now it's low tide, of course. Normally it's about a meter and a half of water here. Okay, we do a quick, short signing off. We're going to see these rocks there, and later on maybe we can walk to one of these beaches there too. We've been there, that's where that hotel is, right? Yeah. Yeah, that resort. Okay. See, big one coming there, love. Whoa, look at this. See, big one, big one coming. Yeah. Aren't you still alive? Wow. even bigger one. I think so. Yeah. Cool, right? Okay, peeps. Aren't you going home? It's very, very windy, peeps. Very, very windy. No, we cannot. It's too rough. It's so rough.
Oh, there is a pool there. Somebody snorkeling here.
Where?
Catching fish and things.
Here?
Yeah, there.
We can look.
See the pool only just snorkeling on a high water there.
There's so many rock pools everywhere. Arrange investigates. Huh?
I thought it was
See, here's the... See these sponges? They're so nice.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one, right? You want me to get it out? I remember 2 years ago nobody had a snorkel yet. Yeah, now everybody has a snorkel. Okay. Oh, it's a child, I think. Yeah, he's fishing now. See, he's looking in all the little cavities and little holes, and even for hello. Hey. Even for little octopus and stuff like that, you know. See, he's going with his snorkel in the very shallow pools. Cool, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit high. It's not that deep.
Yeah, there's all rocks everywhere. It's not so many sea urchins either.
No, it's that way that we walk.
See, there's pools everywhere there too, you see? Okay, you want to go snorkel?
Okay, we go.
Okay, we go.
Snorkel?
Snorkel? Let me see, where shall we go?
We go home. I don't see.
Yeah, we come here tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's a little bit higher. See, it's very shallow, eh? Wow, this boy having a good time there. Okay, we go. Okay, we try to navigate us through this maze. Back to the safety of our motorbike, our trusty motor. Ah, you know what we can do? We try to navigate through this water in the islands to the shallow bit there. Okay, we try to do that. Okay, we're gonna go on a very dangerous mission here. Okay, see, these holes are very deep, you know. Wait, you see urchins here, Miss Moi. Okay, I made it to this part here. We need to make it to that part there, love. See, I'm in the US of A now. Look, this looks like the island of the US of A. This is Canada. Now we're in Canada. See? Miss Moi? Dangerous, right? Yeah, we're risking our lives here. Wow, and look. Wow, it's getting deeper here. We go very carefully. That we not. Yeah, but see, it's deep here. We might have to snorkel here. Yeah, okay, I'll try to get in here, right? Wow. Yeah, it's deep here, people. It's very deep. But sea urchins. Okay, we're going there. Okay, this is a deep channel, and we're gonna cross it now. We go to the other side there. Very, very deep channel. Okay, there's more time to get in. Careful, careful, the sea urchins. Okay, peeps, I'm gonna put my snorkel on. See you in a sec. How cool was that? Okay, I see. Quick, quick, quick. Yeah, I got him, the lionfish. And the one, the coral, there's a coral there with these little black fish on it.
We saw that one in Uyombo a long time, that type of fish.
See, the boy is also in the same pool as us now. Yeah, these children try to catch all these little fish, you see.
The lionfish, he has a spear gun, he can kick it.
Yeah, but
they don't eat it.
I don't think so. What a beautiful spot. So many rock pools here. Again, we're swimming in a rock pool we've never seen before. You discover new stuff every day here.
You know, every day we find a new thing.
Yeah, it's such a big area here.
Yeah.
So big.
Up to there, it's still snorkeling. You wanna go around here, you see?
Yeah, we investigate. You wanna hold the snorkel? Fine.
Oh, these two things now. This one too.
Maybe that one there. It's just that there is so many urchins here. Wow, it's cold out of the water. It's better in. You think we can go across there to that side? Okay. We investigate. Is that an urchin? Oh, okay. But not here, huh? Yeah, not here. And not here. Okay, I go. This is beautiful.
This is just a little coral here. Have a lot of fish.
Yeah, unbelievable. So many.
So different colors and different colors.
So beautiful.
Wow, and the big too. That's why that cat was trying here. He can find them.
Yeah. They're trying hard, you know, to catch these little fish.
Yeah, bring over and come get it.
Yeah. Wow, navigating through all the sea urchins here. It's a miracle I didn't get stung yet. Okay.
A little snake laughing. Very little snake. Laugh. Little snake. Very little.
Birds must have a nesting place here. They try to see, there's another two. This is where they nest too, in these rocks. Beautiful places.
In the rocks.
There's plenty to eat here, for these birds.
Look at this.
Look at that, so much places to, they can nest, eh? Okay. I think we're gonna sign off soon because the battery is almost empty and we had a beautiful day. It was a very, very nice day.
Yeah.
We saw so many fish.
We're gonna sign out very, very soon. So if you don't see us, note that we sign out like straight away. Now, signing out. Careful, that is Blanky.